To wrap text in Airtable, you'll adjust the row height in your view. This works on both desktop and web versions. Open the base and table where you want to wrap text. The grid view is the default, so you should already be looking at it. Look at the view bar, the toolbar above your grid. Find the row height switcher button. It shows an icon that looks like stacked horizontal lines. Click on it. A drop-down menu appears with height options: short, medium, tall, and extra tall. Select tall. You'll see the text in your cells wrap to display on multiple lines. The rows expand, and longer text now shows across multiple lines within each cell. If some text is still hidden, go back to the row height button and select extra tall instead. If you want to force more wrapping, you can narrow your columns. Move your cursor to the right edge of any column header. Click and hold, then drag left to make the column narrower. As you resize, the text breaks into separate lines within the column. The narrower the column, the more the text wraps. These text wrapping settings apply to your current view only, not the entire base. They're saved per user, so your personal settings won't change what other people see unless you're working with a shared view. If text is still cut off even at extra tall height, you have two options. Click directly into the cell to see the full content, or select a cell and press Shift plus space to open an expanded cell dialog where you can read the complete text. If you want to see everything in a record at once, click the Expand Record button at the far left of any row that opens the full record view. Text wrapping in Airtable is view-specific, so different team members can set up their own preferences without affecting the base structure.